Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. I'm very happy today. If it is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. Thumbs up if you really like what I'm doing, and don't forget to support me by subscribing and sharing with your friends. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Just stay there and see what I'm about to open. Let's start with this, guys. You see? Start with this. This is from Hafsa, my best friend. Thank you very much. And I need to see what she put in here. So guys, just stay there. Open this with me. I'm so excited. I'm really excited. And guys, if you want to make me happy, here is my address. If you know, you know. Let's open this first, then we talk. Another selfie. Oh my god, guys. Summer comes soon. Guys, don't mind this pic. Oh my god! Pilau masala. Guys, be ready. I'm going to cook for you. Pilau. Oh my god. Coffee product. Oh boy. Sam. Kariboda Simba Bill. This is for Robert. It's so small. When it's expire? 2023. This is for Robert. And I have soap. Oh my god. Coffee. Thank you very much, coffee product. So I'm officially ambassador of coffee product. Hey, more. Now I'm official ambassador of coffee products. Oh my god, look at this. Let me wear. I'm going to wear this. Oh my god, thank you very much, best friend. Oh my god, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Put it on, baby. I don't know. Thank you, baby. Baby, thank you. I love this. Oh. Yeah. I'm in Africa now. I'm in Tanzania. Now I'm in Tanzania. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at me. Look at me. Oh my god. I love this. Okay, you can put this on top. I wish to wear this today. You can put like this. Like this. And you'll be like Or you can do like this, or tie here. Mostly those people who dance. And for for Muslim, they wear like this. Yeah. So it has a lot of ways to wear it, and I already loved it. Thank you very much, best friend, and I can't wait to wear it. Oh my god. Hey, summer, please come soon. Summer. I have more things. I have this. Oh my god. I have this. It's a necklace. Thank you for Tinatus. Thank you very much. It is written, I love Tanzania. I do love Tanzania. I love Tanzania a lot. I will wear this. Oh my god, it's so cute. And first time I saw this, I thought it's money. Here in Poland, if they give you an envelope, it will be money, even if it is 50 zloty, but money. And yeah, this is the thing in here. As you can see, these are for my waist, guys. I have to put it like this. Yeah, it's for waist. If you guys want to know what the use of these things, I will explain. Just comment down there that you want to know and I will explain. Guys, I have this. Oh my god. I see this in Poland, but they are too expensive. It's very expensive for me and I can't afford it. So, Conrad, thank you very much for the professorze. Dziękuję ci bardzo. Guys, now you see this one. Yeah, I love this one. Oh my god. But it have to be inside. I will explain to people who want to know. Just comment. Okay?